Experiment with Water, Chapter 7, Holy Faith, Workbook. Exercise. First, given below are pictures of some things. Circle the ones that are soluble in water. Salt, sugar, coffee, lemon juice. Right, true or false? Nehru undertook the Dandi March. False. An egg boiled in salt water floats on the top of the water. True. On cooling, water changes to water vapors. False. Salt can be obtained from lake water. False. Oil dissolve in water. False. Given below are pictures of some objects. Circle the ones that will float in a bucket of water. Leaf, matchstick, and plastic plate. Give reason for the following. Your school uniform dries faster when spread out in the sun than when spread in the shade. Water evaporates fast in sun as compared to shade. Because of that, school uniform dries faster in sun. Oil floats on water and does not dissolve in it. Oil is lighter than water, so it floats on water. A puffed up puri floats on oil, but a puri that does not puff up sinks at the bottom. A puffed up puri floats on oil because it gets filled with air, and air is lighter than oil, and puri that does not get puffed sinks. A soap dish floats in bucket of water, but a soap cake sinks. Soap dish is made up of plastic, which is lighter, but soap is denser than water. It sinks down. A person floats in Dead Sea and does not drown. A person floats on Dead Sea because Dead Sea contains high concentration of salt that make water very dense. Fill in the blanks. Mahatma Gandhi undertook the Dandi March. Dandi in Gujarat. An egg boiled in salty salty water floats. Salt can be obtained from SEAC water. Oil is LIGHTER, lighter than water, hence floats on water. E. Clothes dry faster, 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 on a sunny day than a cloudy day. Answer the following question. Why does a person who does not know how to swim will not drown in the Dead Sea? Dead Sea contains very high Answer the following questions. Why does a person who does not know how to swim will not drown in the Dead Sea? Dead Sea contains very high concentration of salt in water that makes water very dense. What are two factors that help a solid to dissolve faster in liquid? Temperature and pressure are two factors that affect the solubility. Explain how can salt be obtained from seawater. By drying seawater in sun, we can obtain salt. Why did Gandhiji undertook the Dandi March? Salt was daily requirement and it was freely available in nature. The British were collecting a heavy tax on salt. Gandhiji protested the law at Dandi. Why does lemon floats on salt water? Floats on salt water. Lemon has higher density than water, so it sinks in pure water. But when salt is added to water, the density of water increases, and when the density of salt water becomes equal to that of lemon, the lemon floats in water. How can you separate chalk powder from water? If we boil the water having chalk powder in it, when all the water is evaporated, the chalk powder will be left. Why do drops of water slide down a smooth surfaces faster than drop of oil? Water pours easily because it is not thick and sticky like oil. It is more denser than oil. Why does you sweat dry faster when you stand under the fan? Answer. Under the fan, sweat evaporates fast, so it dry up fast under the fan. Thank you for watching.